I am sat here thinking of you once again. Songs in my head now, they all make sense. Counting down the days to call you mine, mine. In the end, I know that we will be just fine, just fine. What I found in you, I know it's hard to find. You're my world, my everything. You are my life. You loved you from the moment that we met. The sparkle in your eye, I can't forget. Every single day, you know you shine, shine. In the end, I know that we will be just fine, just fine. What I found in you, I know it's hard to find. You're my world, my everything. You are my life. You are my
Please, for wedding, man and woman, who dey dance first? Hello? The bride and groom, who dey dance first? The bride and groom, who dey dance first? You know why bride dance dey serious? She dey enter, she dey dance. Mama, she come see some of her friends wey senior her wey never marry. Oh, Jesus, thank you. Hey! Then bride, groom, like Shaggy dance, make dey first serious. Then the dance dey calculate. As the end, I will see that. Hey, this is not spent for me to do. Hey, I'm not to. If one look tight, they will come see honorable. Hey, that time dance will change. If the answer is you, raise your shoe. If no, the same thing. If the answer is you, raise your shoe. If it's you, raise your shoe. So between the two of you, who is the prayer warrior? Where's a big prayer pass? No permission to look, just sit down with your hand. And the crowd of that means two of them they pray. Very good, very good, very good. Bring it down, bring it down. Between the two of you, who is more romantic? Who is more romantic? Business here, check. Who is more romantic? Shaggy, you are waiting. The two of you? How can you the two of you? Okay. But she don't believe saying you're romantic. That means there are some things you are not doing. When last you buy ice cream for her? Yes, it is. Okay. Okay, now this one be sincere. Answer well. Who like food pass? Who like food pass? Shaggy, answer quick. Shaggy, answer. Shaggy, you sure? Because from the look of things, if I look your belly, I know say blessing are you. You just say you're not lying on her. Okay, now next. Is now. Who loves football? Inside the top, who likes football? Are you serious? Since the woman likes football pass now, what do you like? Telemundo? A busy one. How your wife will like football pass you? Okay. Now, this one be sincere. Who like money pass? Like your answers they confuse you. Okay. Now you know say when people they do love, now they always call for money. Who they quick wake up? Early bird. Who they quick wake up? Wow. Nice one. Okay, this one. Who sabi cook pass? Shaggy! You are a PDP man. You sure? You will prove it to her today. One I reach out. Okay, now this one is the last one and most important. Because with this word, I can solve any problem where pastor no fit solve self. The one I'm sorry, who dey quick apologize? Who is quick to apologize? Oh wow! It's the bride! Shaggy, you have to learn how to pray. Sorry. Put your hands together for the ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.